Lucky. Come on, Lucky. Come on, Lucky. Oh, too close. Get her. Go, Bella. Go. Go, Lucky. Go, guys. All playtime. Get her. Get her, Lucky. Oh, pop down. Okay, it's very strange to see a pier with this much energy. But here's Lucky. Hide and seek, Lucky. Get her. She's behind the tree. We've got Lucky playing with one of the 5-month-old pups. He's enjoying having some fun with Bella. Both of them will have a nice nap after this. Hey, Lucky boy.